Pemirsa, putra kedua Presiden Joe Biden, Hunter Biden, menghadapi ancaman hukuman penjara setelah Dewan Juri dalam Pengadilan Federal menjatuhkan vonis bersalah atas kasus kepemilikan senjata api.
Vonis bersalah kepada Hunter Biden menuai beragam reaksi dari warga dan analis. Selengkapnya akan dilaporkan tim VOA dari Washington DC.
Hunter Biden, putra Presiden AS Joe Biden, akhirnya divonis bersalah dalam 3 dakwaan terkait pembelian senjata api pada akhir 2018. 2 dakwaan memberi kesaksian palsu untuk membeli sebuah senjata api, dan 1 lagi dakwaan terkait kepemilikan senjata saat ia kecanduan narkoba.
No one in this country is above the law. Everyone must be accountable for their actions, even this defendant.
Dengan demikian, Hunter Biden menjadi putra pertama seorang presiden AS yang divonis bersalah dalam kasus pidana saat orang tuanya masih menjabat.
This is a major victory for the government. They spent 3 years, at least roughly 3 years, investigating and prosecuting this case. It comes at a time when his father is locked in a very competitive battle with the former President Donald Trump. And it also comes right at the heels of President Trump's own conviction up in New York City on totally unrelated charges.
Beragam respons pun muncul di antara calon pemilih.
When it comes to Joe Biden's son, was there an opportunity to pursue this case maybe beyond what normally would have occurred? Maybe so, because of what's been going on both sides of the political aisle. Was Hunter Biden guilty? Based on what I read, what I saw, sure he was guilty.
His role, he knows everything that's going on. There's nothing hidden from him, and I guarantee if he gets the chance, he will pardon without even a thought.
Well, first of all, I think the president's son is a separate person from the president himself. And I mean, not to bring in other political candidates, but I think just in general, we're talking about Trump and his current trial, or the trial that just happened. So I feel like all of this is it's just craziness.
Merespons vonis bersalah kepada putranya, Presiden Biden mengatakan sedih tapi menerima putusan pengadilan. Dalam wawancara TV dengan ABC sebelum vonis dijatuhkan, Presiden Joe Biden mengatakan tak akan memberikan pengampunan alias grasi bagi putranya bila Hunter Biden akhirnya divonis bersalah. Setelah vonis dijatuhkan pun, Presiden Biden mengatakan ia tetap menghormati proses peradilan. Tapi Biden belum mengomentari akankah ia memberikan remisi alias pengurangan masa hukuman.
Well, I'm sure it's very sad for his family and sad for Hunter Biden. Many people know individuals who have suffered from addiction. And I think people can understand that. On the other hand, I think it is a good day for the rule of law. We don't have people outside the courtroom saying, burn it down. We don't have people saying, democracy is at an end, that it's part of a racket. And our institutions are strong.
Hunter Biden terancam kurungan maksimal 25 tahun, meski ahli hukum mengatakan biasanya pelanggaran sejenis diganjar penjara 15 hingga 21 bulan. Dari Washington DC, Virginia Gunawan dan tim VOA.